Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on read receipts on WhatsApp. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Let's get started, guys. Step 1. First, unlock your Nothing phone and open the WhatsApp application. Once inside, you'll see the main screen with your chats menu. Step 2. Next, look at the top right of your screen where you'll find 3 vertical dots. This is the menu icon. Tap on them. Step 3. Now locate the settings option and tap on it. Step 4. Next, locate the privacy option. Tap on it. Step 5. Now locate the read receipts option. Unfortunately, this is turned off. Step 6. For the last and most important step, select the read receipts option to turn it on instantly. If turned off, you won't send or receive read receipts. Read receipts are always sent for group chats. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.